So this is a reading worksheet I've taken from Twinkle. So I'm just going to screenshot some of the text I want the students to read. And then in a new tab, I'm going to go to form.new. And that creates a new Google form in my Google Drive. Then if I go to this icon, I can add those images that I've just screenshot because they save directly into my Google Drive. And I've had to do it in two parts just so that it fits. And then if I go to this preview icon, I can see what it will look like for the students. And I can see there's a question there I don't want at the top. So I just select it, click the bin, and it gets rid of it. I'll give it a title, like April Fools, and name the file. Now I want to add in a question. So the first question on this sheet was, what's another name for April Fool's Day? So if I go to the plus icon, it lets me add a question. I type the question in here, and then you can select which kind of answer you want. So I want this to be multiple choice. So there's three options: All Fool's Day, April Day, or Joking Day. And once I've typed those in or copied and pasted them, there are a few settings that you can change. If you go up here to this settings clock, so you can collect email addresses so you know who's responded. You can restrict it to your organisation and limit it so they only do it once. Or you can make it a quiz, and that enables you to select which answer is correct and allocate it a number of points. And they'll only see this when they've finished and submitted their answers. So then I'll add another question: on which day is April Fool's Day celebrated? But this time I want it to be a short answer, so they just type in their response. And you can add more questions. But once you're finished, then you can go over to your Google site, and if you go to Insert from Drive and Recent, you'll see the form is there, and then to preview the site, you can go down to see how the student will view it, and you can see the reading parts there, and then the questions for them to answer, all embedded on the site. Now, as a teacher, once students have started responding, you'll see in the Responses tab how many people have responded, and if you've collected email addresses, you'll see who has responded, and you can toggle through those, and then you can see the ones that are automatically answered, and then you can give individual feedback to students who need it.